Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. This is me again, Miftah Husna. Video. I will show you how to make CRUD. This is the example. But before you start it, make sure your XMPP is already started. Then, from this, you can make a new file in your HTML folder on your next folder. Here I made it in C. Then into the head, can head to the XMPP and then HTDocs. Then you can make it here. Then, and here I have my folder named CRUD.php. Then you can open in terminal. You can type here CRUD space dot, and this is here for the first two. For the connection means connection. It's like this. You can have few variables here. For the server, you should name it localhost, and then for the user, it's custom. Actually, you can make name if you want, but you should input localhost root, and then you can blank the password. And for connection, you can type new Mysqli, and then put all the variables here, and if this is for it's like testing. It's for to check if it's error or not. When you type here, look how you can see how it looks. Slides. It like this because I get command. It's not. You can see it's I use this in Indonesia in Bahasa, but you can say it connection success here, so it's able to connect because I want to, and this is file I want to connect with. Wait a second. This is the database. It's called Bimbo. And then I make a new file named this is the database. Here I include connect or connection.php that we need. It's just for example. This is the database we want to connect, and just like first one for this connection, you can input all the variables to this. Then you can see if it works. it's success again. Manage it. And then for the next we can make the table. The table, this is a table. Wait, why it's error? Something went wrong. Yeah, the the problems in here. Before this, it's error because there we make a new table here to create a new table here, but it's already exists. And now I change the name of table. Now it success again. As for the table, and next we make mm, this. Yeah, I make it. It's padding, but I'm not make it responsive. So when it's in medium size, it turn here. And just erase this. It and or this is a table. I make but the first I put the HTML. First I include the connected CRUD.php or make all this to include this the connection for into the table. So first I made an HTML tag so I can make the table so I can style it too. Here I put a table border one, and for the table row for the header I made this. And because I'm selected from this from class is mean class in English. It's must suit the name. There's name, KD class, nama is for name, and gender or jenis kelamin and class. Put all this into this. But I add for the end is pilihan or choices to to give choices for the users to edit or to delete. But first, I want to explain this first. For after make the header table, the table header, you can put a PHP tag after that to input this to make a variable here and select it from the table you have made on localhost on the database, your database, and then you can put while here for loop. And for the table detail, we not put one on it like we do in HTML, but because we just pull it from the database, you can just put print here and then call the variable. And here we name it Bimble, just like the name of the database. And then you can put all the keys of your tables. And then the last, for the edit, you can in here. But first, we want to add some data here for the for peserta, or I would say in English peserta means participant. Yeah, to make it easy, I will this and then change it with that or something like that. And then here we put a graph to input. So when we click it, we can move into another page to input the data into this. Go to input. When we this is the page of the input. In here we can just done. It's end with 1007. For the name, I'll add 1008. Make a code class 188 and the next name is Hanji, and I'll make it 10. L like a lucky is for men, and then for the class as I came on economy, and then save the data. And here you can see 1008 is already added in this column in this table. And for the next, that's for the add. It's just like usual, like how you make another table. You can put label with name, with the you can put any label you want, and you can put input here with type text, so you can type text here. And for the ID, this is the one thing that make it include to the table. This is for ID and name. You can replace it with all the with all the key on here. You have to be suited. And then for the type is submit to submit it. That is for the input page. And now we can head to edit page. So when for the edit here, if we click it, it will move into another page. And when we edit this, let's make it where I just remove I just replace LP from men into women. And then you can see here, the gender is replaced with another. It just changed it because we edit it. We head to the and make a new file or edit. And here we just input this for variable data, like from class where name is $name. This is because the name is the primary key. So we use this to summon all this. And for the first, page, and this is the page. It's just same as before. You can make a label and then input, but in here for the value you can make like this. You can put a PHP tag here and print or echo, and you can summon the variable and also the key, and it will be changed like this. For the button, when you just click it, it will be saved in. It will be saved. It will be changed. That is for the edit. And next, for delete. That was means delete. Yeah, I forgot to say. In here, I make for the text hover is underlined. So when we just uh uh when the cursor is on the text, it will be underlined where we click it. For the style, as simple as that. And then for delete, it's just same as before as edit. You can put a ref in to move into another page, but it's not moving to another page. Just make this. You make the order to delete what you want to delete. And here we put include, or we type here tag PHP tag, and then here we put the name too, the primary key, and then Mysqli underscore query, and then the connection variables, and then put an order here, delete from, uh, delete from, and mention the table and where this primary key and the variable of the primary key. And then for the header, location is on CRUD.php on this. And then we add here when on click, it will be returned confirm. It's alert. Would you want it in English? Are you sure? Does it work? And you click OK, it will be delayed. It will be delayed. Just like this. That's all for today. I, I wish, hopeful, I hope it will be beneficial. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.